glass factory pH glass. We will perform the thermal shock test. This test will be with two glasses, one uncoated glass and the other glass coated with NANODIAMOND4-GLASS. Both glasses are in an oven at a temperature of 213 degrees Celsius. The water temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. Now we take both glasses out of the oven. The temperature of each glass is 195 degrees Celsius. We open the water dispenser and we see that one uncoated glass breaks immediately after 4 seconds. Glass coated with NANODIAMOND4-GLASS. Glass is kept in its normal state, giving the property of our product. These properties are strong impact resistant, anti-scratch resistant, 9H-12H 10 years of permanent protection, self-cleaning, UV protection, strong resistant to acid, extreme protection against weather conditions, resistant to freezing, achieves incredible transparency, resists temperature of to 1200 degrees Celsius, anti-corrosive protection, protection against oxidation, extreme protection against chemical corrosion, 100% friendly with environment, saves money by reducing the use of chemical detergent.